Welcome back to our channel. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a long adventure, the Berliner Vintage Genuine Leather Duffel Travel Bag is built to make a bold statement. Crafted for those who appreciate timeless design, durability, and authentic craftsmanship, this duffel bag combines classic aesthetics with modern functionality. Let's dive into why this travel essential stands out from the rest. Ready for your next adventure? Oslo is a perfect duffel for travel, gym, or short getaways. This versatile travel bag features a detachable shoulder strap with a shoulder pad and 2 pockets on the sides with magnetic closure. Durable metal YKK zippers and metal feet provide extra sturdiness. Airline-friendly, practical, and stylish. Dimensions: 23.2 inches by 11 inches by 11 inches, capacity: 13.2 gallons, weight: 5.3 pounds. Designed in Berlin, Germany. The durable Oslo carry-on bag is thoughtfully designed in Europe and crafted from high-quality materials for long-lasting wear and functionality. The cotton-lined main compartment includes a dedicated tablet compartment for devices up to 9.7 inch, a phone pocket, pen loops, card holders, and a key carabiner. Additional slip-in and zippered pockets ensure your belongings stay organized. Made to last. We in Berliner Bags believe in quality over quantity. By focusing on fewer, durable, better-made pieces, we extend the life of our bags and reduce waste. Every bag is a lasting investment that brings years of enjoyment. Genuine buffalo leather. Handcrafted from top-grade buffalo leather, this durable item offers a soft texture with a robust vintage look. Each piece is unique, with natural variations in texture and appearance, ensuring lasting comfort and style. Certified by TV to meet top European standards. Satisfaction guaranteed. Your satisfaction is our #1 priority. Every Berliner Bags product comes with a 1-year warranty and a 100-day return policy. The Berliner Vintage Genuine Leather Duffel Travel Bag isn't just a travel companion, it's a statement of elegance, strength, and heritage. From its full-grain leather exterior to its thoughtful detailing, this bag is made to journey with you for years. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.